Hey guys, this is Tammy from Dressing Tammy, and I just wanted to come on and kind of show you my process because, if I'm honest, I don't know if I'm going to be able to get it done by Friday. I might have to take Saturday and part of Monday and Tuesday of next week. But anyway, I might. I'm going to work on it. It's 1 o'clock right now on Wednesday afternoon, and I am in the process of I don't want to say perfecting because I'm not going to get it perfect, but I've got the sleeve done. It fits well. It fits well enough for what it's for. That's all I'm going to say. I can probably work on the arm side a little bit and, for makes that are going to be worn more often. But for this being worn for 8 hours, I think it's fine. Now, the vest part, because originally when you make a dirndl, the bodice part connects to the skirt, but because I want to use my skirt for other things, I'm not connecting this part. So this is my first mock-up. Again, completely 100% self-drafted. I'm using my bootstrap dress form to do this. And then I try it on myself, and then wherever I need to pinch it or whatever, I just go ahead and do that. But because I don't have a neck, I'm really concerned that the way I've drafted this part right here is way too much fabric. I posted on Instagram. Most people just said, go with your gut. If you don't like it, change it. And I don't. I think it's just going to close me in too much. And then, what's the point of having that part, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take this part completely away. And I am going to come down here, and I'm just going to come across. There you go. There we go. Everything above that blue line is just going to go away. That's what I'm thinking. And if I do that, then it's going to open up this much, much, much more. And I think it's just going to be more pleasing to my body shape. And so then we're just going to have, this is where it will be, the actual, where it sits on my shoulder. And then you'll see the blouse part under here. And then the trim will come down here and then jog over. And then I'll have my little clasp for the ribbon to go across. So that's the plans for this afternoon, and I am so ready to get this done. Not because I'm not enjoying it, because my goodness sakes, I'm enjoying it, but Black Friday's next week. Plus, I have got to clean this craft room up. This thing is such a mess. I've moved everything around. I've lost my rulers. I've lost my pen. I've lost half of my patterns. I mean, it's just chaos in here because I'm trying to get this done so quickly. And I ordered a new storage unit for all of my fabric and patterns. I'll post a picture up here real quick. I got it off of Amazon. It was like $64.99. 12 cubes. Each cube is 14 by 14 and comes with a door. It is plastic and wire. That's fine with me because it has doors. It'll keep my cats out. So yeah, so 1 o'clock in the afternoon, this is what we're working on. We're going to try to get this done out of its proper fabric today. And then I'm going to quickly mock this up. And then I have got to take, not this, because this is the blouse, but I've got to take the bodice for the vest and make it like a princess seam right here, and then do that so I can get that finished as well. So I don't know if I'm going to get the vest done tonight because I do have to make a muslin just to make sure that it fits. So again, I'm documenting this because I really don't know if I'm going to get this done for viewing on Friday's video. So, okay, my light's fading. So let me go and we'll get this sewn up and put back on the mannequin and let you see it. Hi guys, welcome back. It is now 4:08 and this is where I'm at. I put the zipper in. This is actually on backwards. I think we all can understand that. But it is tremendously too big for me. I'm going to show you just how much it is on the shoulders. I left like a 1-inch thing here for my zipper placket because this is an invisible zipper. But I'm going to have to take it in 2 inches here in the center. The bust is okay if I raise the shoulder. But I have to take it in here. A little, my pen didn't even hold. But there and here. Sorry, you can't see that. And here, this is the back. The back is actually okay. I have a little bit of gaping here, but other than that, I couldn't be more pleased with this. Now, there is my seam line, but as I'm finding out, when I had this bootstrap fashion mannequin made, I was apparently much bigger, because this does not, see this right here? Can you see this faint red outline? That is where the apex is supposed to be. My apex is here when I have a bra on. This is where it is. And so when I try this on, yeah. So I'm a little frustrated. And again, the reason I'm making this progress video again is because I honestly don't think that I'm going to get this bodice done by Friday to show you guys. So I might have to do it on Sunday and we'll see it maybe Monday. I have no idea. It all depends on what happens tomorrow at work. I could either work all day and be home by 5 o'clock, because I have 2 jobs tomorrow instead of just 1, or I go in, see if my graphics have arrived, and then I'm going to come back home and then go in and work a 10 p.m. to midnight, or I'm sorry, a 10 p.m. to 6 a.m. shift. And if that happens, then I'll have time to work on it Thursday, and then take a nap, and then go back to work. So I'm not sure. So I honestly thought I had this, but it's my mannequin. I'm going to have to, I think, order a new bootstrap fashion mannequin to drape on, because this one is just not my size anymore. Now, the hips are okay, but this part is a mess. The boobs are too big. I am not this big, and I'm not this wide. I need to come in like a lot. So yeah, so that's her right there. And now I am going to get back to my Melvyn Douglas movie. I think I'm watching The Amazing Mr. Williams, 1939. Oh my God, can I just tell you, I love Melvyn Douglas. I just love him. So yeah, eat some supper, watch Melvyn Douglas, and then we'll get back at it, okay? So stay tuned. We might have another update before I hit the hay, okay? Be right back. All right, sorry for the black bra, but I wanted to show you where I ended up tonight. Don't look at my little plaid pants. They're a little bit too big. But anyway, this is where I'm at right now. I have to take a little bit off of the shoulder still yet. So let me pull that in. Again, I'm so sorry about the black bra, but that's just what I have. And it's a little snug, but it's a heck of a lot better than the very loose one. So all I have to do, go back in, and I believe it's right in here, is let this out. I think I'm going to let it out about 1/4 of an inch everywhere that I took it in, and that should release it a little bit, because remember, I do have to wear a shirt under this. So yeah, this is the top. Let me pull that in, and I'm sorry for this horrible lighting. I am in my bathroom. So yeah, so there we go. That's what we have, and I'm pretty happy with it. I think I can work with this. I was getting really frustrated, but now I'm pretty good. I feel pretty good about this. So, and oh, by the way, this right here is my little washing machine, because I was doing more fabric loads today, and that's what that is. It's a Panda. It's awesome. It will wring your clothes out like crazy, and you don't even have to really dry them. But anywho, this is where we're at. Yeah, so we're going to let that out, and this is going to be it for me tonight, guys. I'm just not going to be able to get this done, I don't think, on Friday, but I wanted to just show you why. But I'm pretty sure I can crank it out now on Saturday, and then we should have that done. So if I get it done and I'm able to upload the video this weekend, I certainly will. But yeah, here we are. You can see my gray hair. Nope, you can't really see me. There I am. Hello. All right. You guys have a wonderful night, and I will see you guys when I see you. Okay, bye.